Hello, my wonderful second graders. Today we're going to start our second WOW project, and today you are going to get a form that's very similar to the form we used when we did our line WOW project. But instead of having different kinds of lines as our vocabulary and skill checklist, we have different 3D shapes and different vocabulary terms that help make our shapes more 3D, like shading and tint. So we are going to go through how to fill out this form one more time just so you're familiar with it. When you put that paper in front of you, the first thing that I want you to do at the top is I want you to fill out your first name, your last name, and your class code. And then what I want you to do is move over here to drawing box 1. And this is where you're going to start your first sketch. Now, this theme for this project, this WOW project, is a winter wonderland. So I want you to think of ways that you can use these 3D shapes in a winter wonderland. Now you also get to choose which center you're going to do. This time we have 4 centers. We have the drawing, painting, and printing, which were available last class, last WOW project, and now we're adding a new one called collage. Now, what you're going to do is come up with a plan for your winter landscape using some of these 3D shapes that we've been practicing in art. Now, when you're done with your first plan, your first thumbnail sketch, then you're going to tag a friend. Find a friend at your table to tag. They will write their name in this box. And then they're going to tell you one thing they like about your thumbnail sketch. They're going to ask you a question about this first sketch. And then they're going to give you some advice or a suggestion or an idea to make this first sketch better. When you've tagged someone, then you can move on to box 2 and take those ideas and questions that you had in your tag and make this sketch better or different. So then you're going to draw again a winter wonderland idea using one of these 3D shapes. Okay. When you're done with plan 2, then you need to have a meeting with Mrs. Sosa. Mrs. Sosa will then give you some feedback for your plan, and we'll discuss which station would be most appropriate for the plan that you have.